The one cell stage zygote undergo the first mitotic division. The first phase about after the 30 minutes of the fertilization. The two cell stage zygote having two unequal cells in their structure that known as the large one is large blastomere, the small size cell known as small blastomer, and the two polar body move to each pole. Now we know that the mitotic division one cell converted into 2 to 4, 8 and 16. This process is followed out, but here the large blastoma undergo division a little earlier than the smaller. So between 2 cell stage and the 4 cell stage, a 3 cell stage also occurs. Here two large blastoma cells and one smaller blastomas. Now in the next division, the 4 cell stage. After 3 cell stage, the large blastoma and small blastoma divides into 2 cells. So now the stage is 4 cell. It is 4 cell stage. These are blastomas. Now, according to the mitotic division, the 4 cell undergo further division to form 8 nuclei, 8 blastomas. Four in front, four in their previous part. So this is 8 cell stage. The membranes are same in all structures. Now the 8 cell stage undergo next division to form a 16 cell stage. The 16 cell stage called as morula. Now these morula continues divided to form a blastocyst. And this blastoma moves towards the uterus. In uterus, blastocyst convert into trophoblast. It is a structure having a outer ring structure like ring-like structure arrangement and the remaining, the inner cells, means if we draw blastocyst, it is a group of mass so many cells are there, group of cells. But when the blastocyst convert into trophoblast, the all cells are arranged in a circular ring and the remaining cells are attached to a inner portion, and the all these structures becomes, this is cavity. So cyst, the cavity formation in the blastula is known as blastocyst. Now this trophoblast reach at the uterus. We have the endometrium, ready to implant. In the uterus, suppose it is the wall of endometrium, then the trophoblast attached to it the side of inner mass. So now we can say that the newly formed zygote is attached to the endometrium, and now these inner mass differentiate into embryo, differentiated into embryo. When the blastocyst converted trophoblast and this trophoblast attached to uterus within the endometrium, the uterine cells undergo a rapid division, result into cover the embryo. When the trophoblast attached to uterus, it become into as embryo. For covering the embryo, the uterine cells undergo rapid division and form a outer layer around the embryo. The result is that the blastocyst becomes embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. This is called implantation. And if the implantation is carried out, that leads into pregnancy. So this is all about the cleavage in human zygote. Cleavage means, we will repeat this structure. Cleavage means a series of divisions which occurs into the zygote, that is the result of fertilization. The cleavage differ from a normal mitotic division. It happens in a short time. It skips G1 and G2 phase, only proceed out mitotic and synthesis phase. It requires higher oxygen, and during the division the mass of zygote is not changed, only the number of cells are increased. Human cleavage, the early zygote which have two pronuclei fuse with together and form a zygote. The zygote undergo first mitotic division after the 30 minutes of the zygote formation. Here the first division occurs, result into two unequal cells. First one is large cell, one is small. The large blastomer and the small blastomer, and the two polar body arranged in each pole. Now the two cell stage undergo mitotic division to form 4 cell stage, but between 2 and 4 cell stage there is a temporary 3 cell stage occurs by the result of early division only in large blastomer. The large blastomer divide into 2 early than the smaller, so the result is 3 cell stage. Now the blastomers having 4 cell stage condition then undergo next mitotic division that result into 4 cell stage, 4 cell stage to 6 cell stage, 16 cell stage. When the blastomers number is reaches at 16, the zygote is 16 cell stage, that's called morula. That stage is known as morula. The morula now continues divided to form a blastocyst, a group of cells which moves towards the uterus for the implantation. In uterus, the blastocyst change into trophoblast. In trophoblast, outer ring-like structure, and that all mass are arranged into inner side, and the remaining central part is becomes hollow. So here the cleavage term is holoblastic. So the cleavage is holoblastic. Now this holoblastic trophoblast reaches at the endometrium, and after attachment to the endometrium, the blastocyst, that is now we can say trophoblast, called as embryo. Now the uterus, the endometrium, the trophoblast convert into embryo. After immediately the attachment of the embryo to the endometrium, the uterine cells undergo rapid division to cover the embryo, and after covering result into the implantation of embryo that leads into pregnancy. In this lecture, that's only about the cleavage. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the pregnancy and the embryonic development.